On this episode, we go over some of our premium interior services of having a seat out to do a detail and also doing a fabric coating on the seat to protect it. Starting out, first the seat must be thoroughly cleaned. We did not record that part, but after it has been cleaned, we can apply the coating. Now that the seat is fully coated, we wait for it to dry and then install it into the vehicle. The next step is to remove the original seat that is in the interior. Typically, I would do this with the help of someone else to not damage any of the interior, but since this is my personal car and I've done this quite a few times on other Volvos, I feel fine doing it by myself. Now that the seat is out, it is the perfect time to get any loose garbage or any loose little dirt and gunk out that is near impossible to remove when the seat is in. Now that the new seat is dry, we install it.